To a video. If you might tell, this is the playset from Fire Alarm Dude 475. And today, what I got up, still have my BG8 here. Coming over here, we have this BG12 thing. And over here, haven't seen this in a while, but I got my FCI MS2. So, yeah. We'll go ahead and start the test off with, I guess, this pull station. And here we go. By the way, if you watch my older videos on Fire Alarm Dude 475, you may notice that this was always black, not yellow. Yeah, so I just painted it yellow a few days ago, and it's pretty cool. So there we go, I reset that. Now let's come over here and pull the FCI MS2. This thing is kind of hard to get open. All right, now, the hell? Focus. BG8. Oh my god. Here we go. Alright, now I'm just gonna close it up and lock it. And that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one.